Okay, so that is the last slide for today's class. And I thank you for your attention. I want you to go home and look at the, so we have essentially created most of the things that are in a single cylinder. You will see that to now make multiple cylinders is very, very, very easy to do. And you will see that it's not as hard as done so far. Once you can make a single engine, a single cylinder, you can make as many cylinders in the firing order. We will come to that in another lecture. And for now, I am expecting you to practice this. You can copy me, go through and gain some skills in copying what I've just done, and then do your own. It is your doing your own that actually gives you your rite of passage. If until you do something for yourself, you don't know anything. If all you can do is to look at it, then you are wasting your time. If what you can do is to copy me, you have not learned enough. If after you have looked at it, you have copied, and you have now gone one step further, go and do some literature search, go and create another engine different from the one I've created, put, you do your own piston differently, do your own connected, just do everything the way you like and do everything together. By the time you get to that level, and then you can now begin to do other things. You don't need to do an internal combustion engine. You can do other complicated machines that have motions among them. There's nothing stopping you. So, but these things have helped us to look at a lot of issues that you could have been learning by rote. And I want to be sure that you don't learn these things by rote. Learn them by practice. Learn them by skill acquisition. And then you go, then by the time you go back to watch the basic Autodesk videos, those things will be coming in much more strongly than if you just read. You should not, this is a practical course, and the only people that will learn are people who are actually drawing and doing their own thing. If you are not doing your own thing, then and you are just waiting to get grades, anyway, you are likely to fail my course if you are not doing your own thing, because I'm going to press you, and I'm going to press you beyond a defined component, define joint, define a point of reference, define joint origin. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give you things to do. And if you know those things, it will show up in the skills that you can demonstrate. So that is it for the day. I wish you a happy Tuesday ending, and continue for the rest of your week. Thanks very much for your attention.